next 3 weeks. This is our bathroom with our one toilet for 2 people.
Our one toilet, but just wait. Look at our lovely twin-sized beds.
The good thing about this is that we have one TV.
But hey, you know
for
what?
each bed.
Look at this view. I feel like this view kind of is okay. Kind of.
The beds are pretty nice, not gonna lie. They're
And
pretty comfy.
we spent $224 for this. Okay, Cecia, what are we eating?
We're eating a breakfast sandwich. And what is this first one?
Le Pain. Le Pain? I'm totally butchering that, but look how good it looks.
That's tomato sauce, then egg and avocado.
What do you think?
I love it.
That's where BTS performed, right there.
As far as I can tell, it's just so easy when everybody talks so carefully. You're my melatonin daydream. Pretend you know, but you know.
Okay, what do you think of Top of the Rock?
Oh, I love it.
Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness, look at all these buildings behind us. Crazy. And there's, let's see, Central Park. Wow. Okay. Good? They gave us free alcohol. I love it so much.
Where the hell did all your friends go?
Okay, so guys, this is naturally. Okay, this is rice wine, Korean rice wine. We just tried some. It was pretty bomb, not gonna lie.
Look right here.
Oh, sorry. Now I'm gonna pour it in because we need to listen.
Okay.
Wine at its finest.
We're not even drunk. And we're acting drunk.
Well, I'm actually kind of interested how it would be if we were drunk. You know, we have to wake up every morning at 7 a.m. You love it.
Yeah. Here's our breakfast. We are currently waiting for Harry Potter. And we got stuck in the rain. So we're trying Ralph's coffee. So cute. I just got an iced oat milk latte. So Sue, what coffee did you get?
I got oat milk latte with
And then I just got some cold oats, and she got a yogurt parfait.
Pretend you don't, but you know.
Okay, so we're currently in Central Park. Cecia, how are you feeling?
so bad right now.
We've been walking all day. Yeah, I pretty much. Oh, there's a dead rat. There's a dead rat. That was gross. But yeah, we're in Central Park trying to find a place to eat. So yeah. Okay, so this is currently our view for dinner. Cecia, what do you think of the view?
Pretty.
This has always been a dream of mine, and it's been on my bucket list, so I'm really excited to finally have a picnic in Central Park. I got this yummy little quinoa bowl. This is Cecia's meal. So yummy.
Salad from before.
Her lunch salad. And then we got this when we went to the Harry Potter store. I bought one of the chocolate frogs, so I'm really excited to open and try one. And yeah, here's our view.